In this video, you will become familiar with the input-output switch tool. It is a diagnostic utility designed for verifying the proper connection of signals on emulation channels number 1 and number 2. Remember, in the KME NEVO-SKY direct controller, the high-pressure sensor must be connected to the first emulation channel. It is essential for the correct operation of the gas system. This signal can be checked using the oscilloscope tool. It should increase proportionally to the engine load. However, there is a chance of error, for example, with the temperature sensor, with the flap position sensor, or another one. To correctly and quickly diagnose such an error, the input-output disconnect tool will prove useful. To use this utility, navigate to the Emulation Input-Output Disconnect tab. Make sure the car is in ignition mode or running on gasoline, and the gas controller has OBD access. You can force a high state or a low state on the selected emulation channel. Keep in mind that this procedure will trigger OBD errors and could potentially cause the engine to shut down. Let's check emulation channel 1 in our case. If the sensor connection is correct, an error indicating a low or high state for the high pressure sensor will be logged based on the test you ran. If the connection is wrong, the resulting OBD error will indicate a different module that we are currently connected to. Now it is clear where the problem with the gas installation was. Remember, with systems from the NEVO-SKY family, diagnosis is easy and pleasant.